How to withdraw Coinbase to GCash. So to withdraw from Coinbase to GCash, you'll first need to sell your crypto holdings in Coinbase for a local currency like PHP, then transfer the PHP to your GCash wallet. Well, you can't directly transfer crypto from Coinbase to GCash, so here's a step-by-step guide to do it. So first, sell your crypto in Coinbase. So go to the sell section in your Coinbase app or the website. Then, choose the crypto you want to sell, ensure the destination and review the order, and confirm the sales. Then what you need to do next is withdraw to the bank account. So once your crypto is sold, you'll have the local currency balance in your Coinbase account. So go to the withdraw or the cash out section. Then select your bank account and then enter the amount you want to withdraw and confirm. Then next is transfer from bank to the GCash. So once the funds are transferred from Coinbase to your bank account, you can log into your GCash app. Go to the money or the add money or load wallet section. Select the bank transfer option and choose your bank. Enter the amount and confirm the transfer. Or you can do this alternatively. You can sell your crypto directly to GCash link bank accounts. And you may be able to sell crypto directly to a GCash link bank account through Coinbase payment methods. And you can also check for options like instant card cash outs using Visa Fast Funds or MasterCard Send if available in your region. And that is how you withdraw Coinbase to GCash.